Are you ready to see the best LEGO Mech set released today? Well, this isn't it. I really do want to shower with praise, but a couple of drawbacks might make you think twice. Let's address the force in the room. The lack of mech cape and the kind of boring design. Without that cape, he goes from Sith Lord to Scuba Instructor. No offense to the Scuba Instructors out there, they're just not that menacing. But let's not jump to light speed just yet. The one thing I did really enjoy about this kit was the Darth Vader minifigure. I did really struggle to get the cape on though. At this price point, I couldn't really find any other kits that contained a Darth Vader minifigure, but to be honest, I didn't look very hard. But if you do find one, or if you happen to know about one, chuck a comment down below. This is where I give you my final verdict. If you are a massive fan of Darth Vader and you want to add a Darth Vader to your collection, add this, but otherwise, maybe give it a miss. If you really do want a mech in your collection though, the Boba Fett one's probably a better buy. The Boba Fett mini in that one is actually pretty good too, and the mech is just a little bit more fun. We have actually built that mech on our channel, so go check out that video as well. Be sure to stick around for the rest of the video where we build the entire mech from start to finish.